General. One of the objectives of our company is to offer the users the most productive experience possible. In order to do this, we use portals that give us many advantages. For example, we have everything in one unique place. Everything is customizable, so you can change the entire look and feel, not only the logo, not only the colors. You can basically modify the portal to look however you need it to look. So you can also access what you need. You don't have to access to all kinds of information that you don't really need. So there's lots of interfaces of other platforms that allow you to see one unique view. Here you can create as many views as you want and assign them to the different employees. You can access all the information 24/7. So it's much better to have all your data, all your documents, all your reports in one place where you can always log in and access regardless where you are, instead of having it on your computer and things like that. So here we can see an example of an application. It's been designed with different colors, with different distributions, different icons, different logos. So basically we can, within the same platform, we can create as many views as we want. We can add whatever look and feel we want, and we can assign these portals to the different users. So we could say, well, maybe the administrators are going to be accessing this portal here. My external users are going to be accessing this other portal here. So we can grant access to the different users so that each one can see something different when they enter the application. I'm going to show you a few options that are customizable for the entire application, and then we're going to see how these options can also be customized for each user. So basically, when I enter structure and I go to the employee portal, there's an option that allows me to change the language. This is an option you guys already know. It also allows us to change the portal, the page, and number formats and some other things. But we could also indicate here that the employees could customize these options. If I go to structure and I enter my tasks, there's also an option where I can customize the my task view for all the employees, but each employee could also customize their own view. And then when you go to settings, there's an option that allows you to custom the amount of data that's going to appear in a data grid in the application. So I'm going to enter the platform. I'm going to structure just to show you how this is done. I'll go to general. And here we can see that the default portal is this one here, and this would be the default page. I could change it here. If I change it here, it's going to affect all the users. For example, here I could select demo portal and demo page. This is just a demonstration I've created just to show you guys an example. Now I'll save and exit. I log out. And when I log back in, okay, I can see it's not affecting the user. Why? Probably because this user has it customized in their record. So let me enter the record. Yes, so here we can see it's been customized. In this case, instead of inheriting the default configuration from structure, this user has a different portal assigned. So let me change it from here. Now I'll log out, I'll log back in. And there we go. I can see a totally different thing. This is just a demonstration. I don't like it like this. I'm going to leave it as it was. Besides, I'm going to change it from general. This way, all the members of the company are going to continue seeing it as it was before. I'm going to log out. I log back in. And now we can see we've changed it back to how she was originally seeing the portal. Now, some other options I mentioned was, for example, here in My Tasks, you can change the grid for the classic view for mobile devices, for tablets. So if I want more or less information to appear in the My Task window, I could actually change it from here. But then the end user could also go to My Task, go to grid settings, and make modifications from here. Obviously, if they have permissions. If they restore the default settings, it's going to take them back to what they could see previously or whatever was configured in structure. Exercise 403, Part 1.